Want incredible entertainment experiences in your lap? Get Intel Centrino mobile technology in your laptop.
A civil emergency is in place for the following counties in East KI: Kitty City, EKI, South Central City, EKI, Brokingo, EKI. Gas leakage containing nuclear waste from the 1981 disaster has occurred in Kitty City. Civil authorities are currently working to resolve the problem. It is not known how long this leakage will last. It is expected to last for about a week. Take shelter and limit breathing outside air if you're in these areas. Turn off air conditioners and use oxygen cans or interior air. Effective until further notice. EAS number 198, the 7th of July 2005 in